Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. Today we are doing unboxing and review of something special and something very new. So today we are talking about Oraimo Powerhouse i32, one of the best home use inverter. If you are someone who is interested in changing from electricity to solar, this is one of the best that you can use for your refrigerator, TV, everything that you have at your house. All right, let's proceed and jump into it. In today's video, we are talking about the pricing and plans, installation and species for this device. Also, we shall also talk about the charging timings, or we shall talk about them. So let's proceed. So talking about the pricing, guys. So if you are someone who is interested in buying these solar batteries and inverter from Oraimo, just know that they come in 3 plans. So the first plan for the beginner or someone who is renting, this one gives you 3.2 kilowatt, but just always know that you have to buy the solar panels from aside. So in number 2 we have gold plan. So gold plan, it comes at $645, but this one it is in 24 volts, but also gives you 3.2 kilowatt. Then in the third plan we have platinum, that comes at 1100 USDT, but this one, just know that it's super good. It gives you 5.5 kilowatt. Also it is in 48 volts, and know that all these plans, they don't come with the solar panels. The solar panels, you have to purchase them from aside. And for your information, know that I'm a technician. If you have something that you would wish to inquire, you can put it in the comments section below, then I can give you feedback later. So these batteries, they come with a 2 years warranty. If you have any issue, you can reach to Oraimo. And so about the installation, I wanted to install the 5.5 kilowatt on this building after the construction, but we later realized that this will be a hotel and they will be having heaters which won't be enough for the power supply. So about the installation, Oraimo gives you the battery and the inverter. So you have to make sure you get someone who can assist you, like install that or assist you guys. So guys, on the specifications, Oraimo Powerhouse i32, it comes with output power of 3200 watts, that is 3.2 kilowatt, class inverter. Then it has a surge power of 6000 VA. Then output voltage, it is 220 to 230. Not forgetting the waveform, that is a pure sine wave. Then the battery voltage, it comes in 24 volts, that is DC. And then it has also, it goes to input, it has a solar input of up to 1.80 kilowatt, or that is 1800 watts, meaning you can support it with 3 solar panels which are of 600 watts per each solar panel. As you have seen in the image, I used bigger size solar panels. And then it has also a solar voltage, that is a maximum open circuit of 102 volts. and then it has also MPPT range of 30 to 80 voltage, not forgetting the maximum solar current, that is 40 amperes, and the AC charging current of 25 amperes. Yeah, so yeah, if you are someone who is interested in this, just know that to charge them, I know that they are going to get full in bad weather. Just make sure you support it with at least 3 solar panels. That is the bigger size. Yeah, that's the one that can work good on that one. Then as you can see on the boxes, you can read and you can know other things. So just know that this hybrid inverter is good for someone who is interested in investing in solar. So for those who want to know the performance of this 3.2 or the silver plan or the beginner plan, if you are someone who is not having a lot of money, just know that this one can help you to run the pump at home, water pump, and also the refrigerator, and also the flat iron, also the TV, water dispenser. It can total of those, they can run up to 300, like 3,000 watts. If you total up all those things, just know they can run your own home appliances. As you have seen, I've tried with my home appliances and it has worked so well on them. It is good, guys. It is worth buying on market. So for me, I used 4 solar panels. As you have seen, I use 4 solar panels, so that it can charge very fast during bad weather, but also 3 can work as. So talking of charging, this can charge using the grid, or also can charge from your home generator. It can also charge from the solar panels. So in number 1 we have solar panels, that is number 1, so because we are always interested in saving the power. Then in number 2 we have the grid or the electricity. Then it can also charge on your generator. Then we also recommend to use the changeover. Whenever these things also fail, you can use your changeover to manage your home power. Then not forgetting that this comes with a user guide menu, but I don't recommend home installation or without the technician who knows these things of output and the input. You might end up damaging your system, which is worth dollars. Yeah, so guys, that is it. That is if you have any comment or you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below. Then you can go ahead and discuss how we can work together. Yeah, so that is the charging. That is my inverter, guys. So what I can say about the recommendation of this Oraimo inverter, it is, yes, I can recommend it because it helps to save a lot of power. If you are someone who is interested in buying solar, you can go for Oraimo because it is cheaper. Yeah, we have other types on the market that you can use, but I also recommend this. Thank you, guys.